I'm Jakub. I'm founder and CEO of Deepnote, and I would like to talk to you more about what we have learned building on Jupyter Notebook and reimagining it for the AI era. We love notebooks. I think that's the most important statement here. And we have been working on notebooks for over a decade now. And during this time, we learned a couple of things about this computational medium that I think are worth highlighting. First, notebooks are perfect for data exploration. They allow you to go wide, but they also allow you to go deep. Second, notebooks are perfect for collaboration, not just between humans, but now also with AI agents. Third, this is a place, one of the very few computational mediums that actually allow you to bring technical and non-technical users together. It's a place that's easy to get started with, but also can be very powerful if you want it to be. All these three things combined together give us a universal computational medium that we are extremely excited about. We believe that notebooks are the computational medium that's going to define the next decade of computing. So we first saw these ideas back in 2014 with the release of Jupyter, and we got very excited. We saw some problems, but we were thinking these problems can be solved. So in 2019, we started with Deepnote, and we started to solve these problems one by one. Problems such as the lack of native integrations, problems with the UI, which was messy and confusing. It was pretty much scary to all these beginners and all the non-technical users. We saw issues with stability. There was time that there was no collaboration whatsoever, so we worked on that, and we also looked at problems with versioning and also the old problem of works on my machine but no one else's machine. So as we are solving these problems one by one, we start to see a lot of users coming from other notebooks and moving over to Deepnote. So during this time, over 500,000 of data professionals from some of the best data teams in the world have made Deepnote their primary notebook. And we were pretty proud of what we built. Like, we built a nice notebook that was easy to use, it was beautiful. But we also felt like we could do more. We could do more for our users, and we could also do more for the community. And that's why today I'm excited to announce that we are open sourcing Deepnote. Thank you. So you can head over to our GitHub repo. You can be one of the first people to start our repo. And what you're going to find there are the building blocks of what makes Deepnote special. We are releasing all of this today, and much more to come by the end of the year. So what are you going to find there? Let's have a quick look. What you're going to find is lots and lots of nicely integrated features. We are going to be starting out with an AI agent that's very powerful, that helps you write, edit, and explain the code. With a beautiful interface that helps bring technical and non-technical users together. We built seamless collaboration with versioning, with comments, reviews, and sharing. And we also added beautiful building charts, so you don't ever have to go and manually fight with those matplotlib or plotly configs. We build reactive kernels, which make the work with notebooks quite intuitive and also solves all of those problems with reproducibility. We have added over 100 integrations, so you can connect your data sources quickly and securely. You no longer need to copy-paste passwords and secret tokens in your notebooks. Notebooks are no longer just markdown cells and code cells. We have added 23 block types for different kinds of text, for Python, for SQL, for charts, inputs, and many, many more. Best of all of this is compatible with Jupyter. You could take an existing IPNB file and drag and drop it into Deepnote, and it's going to work. All right, so the best experience that you're going to get is going to be within the Deepnote platform. However, we worked hard to bring those benefits into whatever environment you are working in today. So with that, we would love to definitely show you more, and that's why I have my colleague Chris coming up in 1 hour in the demo theater in Expo Hall. So today, 10:20 a.m., and he's going to show you how all of that looks like. We would love to see you there, and also feel free to stop by our booth. We would love to talk to you. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy the conference.